Hello everyone, this is Husam. I'm going to show you how to get and install local server for WordPress in your PC. To use local server for WordPress, we need to download the application called Laragon. First, I will open my browser and search for Laragon. Then I will click on download page. Then I will looking for download Laragon full edition. This version is a complete version of Laragon application. After clicking on download, I should see a pop-up window to download it. I already downloaded the application before. I will click on cancel and close the browser. Then I will open the download folder and finally I will start to install the application normally like any normal application. After the installation complete, I will close the download folder and we should be sure that the application will run by checking here and click finish. And finally, the application installed successfully without any problems. After installing the application, we should close the antivirus because the program using Windows command line and this setup for the first time only and you can use it with the antivirus normally. After closing my antivirus, we will click on Start All in Laragon. And if you see any pop-up window for request to access, click to allow. And we will wait for the second pop-up window to allow access and we will click on allow. And we can see now Apache server is running and MySQL server is running also. Now I am going to install WordPress and you will see how easy it is. First, right click in Laragon and from Quick App I am choosing WordPress. Here I am going to enter any word for database name. Then click OK and the application will install WordPress automatically. As you can see, the application is downloading the last version of WordPress and will install it, and after download it will extract automatically. After downloading WordPress, if you see any yes or no pop-up window to choose, please click on yes to complete installation. After the installation complete, you will see the view site button is active. I will click on it. The browser open on WordPress installation page to choose the language. I'm going to choose any language and click next, and this is the final page. You should see website name and admin username and password and email. You should enter or fill all details and click on install WordPress. After complete installation, click on login and you will see this login page. You should use the entered username and password you used. Then click on login and as you can see, this is the WordPress dashboard. You can now start to design your website on your local host without losing any data. And as you can see, this is the easiest way to use local server. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.